the world's first AI that creates talking, interactive magic books in minutes, in any language, any niche. Let's start with what's hot right now. Just look at what happened recently. Alex Hormozi, the same guy behind $100 million offers and $100 million leads, launched his new book, The 100 Millions Money Model. And in just one launch, that book pulled in $84 million in sales. Think about that. One book, one launch, $84 million. Alex didn't need a movie deal. He didn't need a Hollywood career. He didn't even sell software. He simply packaged his knowledge into a book, and it became a money-printing machine fueling his brand for decades. Now here's the question. If one book can do that for him, what could your book do for you? What if you had a tool that let you create books faster, easier, and more engaging than anything the market has ever seen? And what if those books weren't just ordinary ebooks, but interactive, talking, clickable magic books that readers actually love consuming? That's exactly why we built MagicBooks AI. Imagine this. You type a simple keyword. AI instantly writes your content, designs the layout, adds AI voice narration, music and visuals, makes it clickable with CTAs. And within minutes, you're holding a digital magic book that feels alive. Pages flip, the book talks, the visuals move. Readers can click buttons and buy instantly. This isn't a boring PDF. It's a book that entertains, educates, and sells. And here's where the money is. The ebook industry is already worth $151 billion, and ordinary writers are cashing in big time with simple, static books. Coaches are publishing authority books to attract clients. Authors are earning royalties on Amazon, Apple Books, and Etsy. Freelancers are selling ebooks on Fiverr and Upwork for $500 to $1,000 each. If ordinary books can already create full-time incomes for everyday people, imagine what you can do with interactive magic books that nobody else is offering yet. Think kids' storybooks that talk. Think training manuals that play videos. Think business books with clickable buy now links. Think lead magnets that convert like crazy. This is not just publishing. It's a make-money online opportunity with endless income streams. With MagicBooks AI, you can create children's story and comic books, coloring, puzzle and activity books, coaching, business and authority books, educational and learning guides, motivational, spiritual and lifestyle books, travel, food and hobby books, and any niche you can imagine. All AI written, AI narrated, designed and published in minutes. MagicBooks AI power-packed features. AI Writer plus Story Enhancer. Talking books with human-like AI voices. Add videos, GIFs, music, animations, and CTAs. Drag-and-drop editor, zero tech skills. Flipbook plus mobile reading modes. Convert PDFs to interactive books. Publish on Amazon KDP, Etsy, Apple Books, and more. Built-in QR codes for easy sharing. 20 million plus stock images, videos, and graphics. Commercial license included. Everything you need to create, sell, and profit. So act now. Right now, MagicBooks AI is available for a low one-time launch price. No recurring fees, no hidden charges. But this deal won't last. After launch, the price goes monthly, and you'll kick yourself for missing out. Remember, you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's zero risk. Books have always been the fastest way to build fame, wealth, and credibility. Alex Hormozi just proved it again, pulling in $84 million from one book launch. But today, you don't need a publishing team, ghostwriters, or millions of followers. You just need MagicBooks AI. Create stunning interactive books in minutes. Sell them online, to clients, or use them to grow your own brand. Click below to grab MagicBooks AI now before this launch deal ends. See you inside.
Hey there, welcome to this quick demo of MagicBook AI. This is your main dashboard, your creative hub. At the top, quick links like Let's Create, Manage Teams, DFY Setup, White Label, Bonuses, Tutorials, and Settings. Keep everything simple and stress-free. In the center, you'll see clean graphs showing book views and leads. On the right, totals for AI books, flip books, photo books, and feedback. Below that, your favorite and recent books are always easy to access. Everything here is designed to be smooth, simple, and beginner-friendly. Now, let's create your first book. Click on Let's Create New Book. You'll see 4 options pop up: AI book, create from scratch, flip book, and photo book. Your book starts here in just one click. Let's pick AI book. You'll see 20+ AI book categories like novels, magazines, business, comics, catalogs, kids' books, and more. Just choose any category which you like. Next, enter your book details, select a source, description, PDF, or URL. Let's move ahead with the description. Next, add subcategory, writing style, tone, AI model, and language. Set chapters and words per chapter. Then, click Generate. In just seconds, MagicBook AI will create your book chapter by chapter. Not happy with something? You can tweak it instantly. Use the Magic Wand tool to rewrite or enhance any part with a single click. Once ready, hit Save and Next. In the content editor, you'll see your book title, chapters listed, and your editor on the right. This is where the magic happens. You can add text style, AI text generator, change backgrounds, add images, links, and even videos. Also, you can change text fonts, sizes, and colors to make your book engaging. It's just like a smart word editor, but powered by AI. Now let's make a book. All your chapters are complete. Now, simply click on Save and Next at the top right corner to move forward. Next, design your book cover. Choose from 3 easy options: create with AI, just describe it, and AI designs instantly. Upload your own. Already have a custom cover? Great. Just upload it here. Use ready-made covers. Pick from 200+ cover collection of pre-designed templates. Apply with a single click. Once you're happy with the cover, click Save and Next to move on. Finally, the settings step. Add the finishing touches, meta banner, small image for sharing on social media. Subtitle, a supporting line for your title. Short description, quick summary of your book. Reading mode options, flip mode, realistic book feel on laptops, tablet mode, Kindle style for mobiles, tablets, reader background, solid color, gradient, or custom image with live preview. Talking section narration, choose from 1,500+ AI voices in multiple languages, or clone your own voice for a personal touch. Now you can add a feedback form. Simply select your autoresponder, choose the list, and set the page number where the form will appear. Once everything is done, just click on Publish Book, and your book goes live. Share your unique book link instantly. Get embed code for your website blog. Control visibility, public, private, or password protected. Track with publish date and updates. Share offline with an instant QR code. Congratulations, your book is ready. With MagicBook AI, creating, designing, and publishing books has never been this easy. Whether it's for stories, education, business, or branding, your next bestseller is just a few clicks away.
That's when Bree, a curious 8-year-old with wild curls and big glasses, stepped forward.
Just now, you saw how we created a kid's book. With MagicBook AI, you can create so much more, like novels, magazines, business books, brochures, brand books, company profiles, PR books, catalogs, storybooks, workbooks, planners, journals, guides, ebooks, comic books, cover photo books, cookbooks, training manuals, and anything else you can imagine. That's the real magic of MagicBook AI. Next is Book Library. Manage everything in one place. Go to your book library to take control. From the list view, you can download, share, duplicate, move to another workspace, delete if no longer needed, all with just a few clicks. Let's create a flip book. a fun animated version that flips pages just like a real book. Enter the name of the book and upload the PDF of your book. After that, click on Save and Next. Cover page, same as AI book. Choose from options to set your cover. When you're ready, click Save and Next. Final settings. Just like your AI book, fill in the meta details to make your flipbook look polished and professional. Once you're done, click Publish Book. Now your flipbook is ready to flip through. Next, let's create a photo book, perfect for memories, moments, or visual storytelling. Enter your book name. Upload photos. Upload multiple images from your PC or just drag and drop. Each image becomes a page of your photo book. Save and Next. Cover page. Choose your cover the same way. Click Save and Next. Final settings. Fill in meta details just like before. Click Publish Book. Ready to preview? Now that you've fully explored the AI book section, you know how to create, manage, and organize your books with ease. But MagicBooks AI doesn't stop there. On the left panel, you'll also find options like Graphic Editor, Feedback, DFY Book. Get instant access to 50+ done-for-you books across every category, ready to use and customize. Next, Sell Book and Agency Product. You'll get to see all of these in detail inside the training. And that's it. You've just completed the full MagicBooks AI demo. Now it's your turn. Bring your creativity to life and share your books with the world.